Okay guys, today is May 1st and you know what that means. It's time to go over to DaveGatton.com and vote for your favorite video for the 2020 Quarantine CNC Challenge. We had over 20 entries into this challenge and you can watch them all right here on YouTube. I'll have a link to the playlist down below in the video description, or maybe I'll put one up here or over here somewhere so you can watch them there. Or if you prefer, you can go to my website, DaveGatton.com, and watch the videos. I have them on a page all listed in the order that I received them, and you can go down through and watch each one, and then after you've made your choice, you can click on the vote, and it'll take you to a form where you can fill out the ballot, and it will email it to me, and we'll record your selection. When you go to fill out the ballot, please make sure you put your first and last name. No dead relatives or anything like that. I'm going to try to keep it fair and square where you get a vote one time and that's it. No ballot box stuffing. So please, just put your first and last name. Any of them that don't have the first and last name, or Mickey Mouse or something like that, those votes won't be counted. I'm going to try to keep this as legit as I can. But anyway, you can go to the website, watch the videos, click on the ballot thing, and vote for your favorite. And then you want to be sure and watch the CNC with Dave Gatton show live on May 16th at 8 p.m. Eastern, where I'll be announcing the winner of the challenge. So I hope you'll tune in, and good luck to all the contestants, and thank you very much for watching.